Hello children, today is our English subject. Today's new topic is beginning sound. Say the name of each picture, then write the beginning sound. Children, you have to write the first letter sound of the pictures. Okay children, look at these pictures. First picture is, what is this? Yes, bat. Bat. Yes, which letter is start with bat? Yes, B. So you have to write B letter here. Understood? Next picture is cap. Cap. Yes. So you have to write C letter here. Next is dog. Dog. D letter is here. Next is log. Log. L-O-G. Log. Next one is van. Van. Yes. V letter is here. V-A-N. Van. Next is web. Web. Yes. W is here. W-E-B. Web. Next one is zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Zip. Z is here. Z-I-P. Zip. Okay. Next picture is, yes, hen. Very good. Yes. H is here. H-E-N. Hen. Next one is jug. Jug. Yes. J is here. Next one is kite. Kite. Yes. K is here. Next is pen. P. Yes. P letter is here. P-E-N. Pen. Next picture is, yes, rat. Very good. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Next one is sun. Sun. Yes. Yes for sun. Very good. Next one is, yes, this is the last picture. Nest. N for nurse. So you have to write N letter is here. Okay children, understood? Next children, join the dots. Connect the dots, start with A, then color the picture. Children, you have to join the dot from A letter to Z letter. Okay, let's start. This is A letter. A after A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, next S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and this is the last letter Z. Okay, who is this? Yes, this is a joker. Okay, then you have to color the picture. Okay, understood? Children, this is your homework. Write A to Z. You have to write only small letter A to Z in the proper line. Okay, understood? Next is match the capital letters with the small letters. Children, look at these letters. Here are some letters, some capital letters and some small letters. Okay. Which letter is this? Yes, this is capital letter B. And where is the small letter B? Is this small letter B? No, this is small letter D. This is small letter B. So you have to match capital letter B with small letter B. Understood? Next one is capital letter D. Where is small letter D? Yes, this is small letter D. Very good. Next is capital letter F. Where is small letter F? Yes, here is small letter F. So you have to match like this. Next is small letter T. Where is capital letter T? Yes, here is capital letter T. Okay, next is, this is small letter M. Where is capital letter M? Is this? No, this is small letter W. Where is capital letter M? Yes, this is capital letter M. So you have to match with these two letters. And this is capital letter W and this is small letter W. Understood, children? Okay, very good.